This time on Second Chance Ohana.
Hey guys, and today we have a fun, simple technique that teaches you how to hydro dip. Hydro dipping is a simple technique that will help you do a marble painted look on any items you have lying around your house. Today we're going to be turning bare knobs like this into beautiful, fun blue knobs for her dresser. We've seen people use this technique on electric guitars, on deer skulls, and even entire tabletops. So join Sammy and me as we show you how to hydro dip step by step. Try that again. Hey guys, I'm Dani with Second Chance Ohana, and today I have my daughter Sammy here, and we are going to be hydro dipping some knobs for her dresser. So we got these plain wooden knobs off of Amazon. We gave them a quick coat of primer spray. And so now we have knobs that look like this. 6 of them are identical for her dresser. And then we have one little bitty one that's off of some old piece of furniture. And we're gonna use this on her nightstand. So she's going for an ocean beachy theme for her room. So we're gonna be using these colors to spray and make a really cool effect on these knobs. So let me show you how it's done. You're gonna have a bucket of water. You could do much larger buckets if you're doing larger pieces, but being this small, this tiny little container will work. Sorry, super loud. We're just gonna spray it right into the water. And I think that one's empty. Okay. Okay, so I spray it right in. Whoa. Woo! We should probably be wearing masks. There it is. I've got a darker one. Maybe I'll get closer. I want to put some white in there. And then, whoa, this is like an old school. I don't know how old this one is. Should we wear masks? Yeah, I'll have this put on. Alright, we continue. So now we're back on this. That works better. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's try it. On the next one, we'll do it. I have extras. Alright, you ready? So you're going to go in slowly at an angle. So, okay, you don't want to do too much. Yeah, an angle, nice and slow, so paint attaches all over. All the way into the screw. Down it perfect, and then give it a little wiggle. And pull it out. That's so cool! Are you happy with it? See what happens if we go again. Oh, that's cool. How do you feel about them? Yay! They'll look so good! Thanks for watching. We hope you'll subscribe for more furniture flipping tips and tricks. And leave a comment below and tell us what item you would like to try to hydro dip. Aloha!